So FutureFit is a training company. We have a long-standing history and we deliver training from zero to hero. Fitness is massively important in a day and age where we are more obese, more sedentary and more unhealthy than we have ever been. So I did my first bit of training and I was hooked. I was like, I love this. I really enjoy this and I really enjoy helping people. And I remember actually looking at the tutor as well and kind of thinking, I'd actually quite like to do that one day. Personal training is really rewarding and you genuinely get to affect people's lives, not just on a physical basis but on an emotional basis, because people have emotional attachments to their weight, their health and even ways they stand and move. So if you can affect that positively, you will literally impact somebody for the rest of their life. And in terms of conditions such as heart conditions, diabetes, asthma, there are so many treatable conditions through exercise and lifestyle. If you can actually help somebody overcome a chronic illness, they will love you for life. If someone's interested in becoming a personal trainer, I would say do it. I would say learn, I would say be open-minded, I would say learn the science, learn the physiology so that you can make up your own minds about other stuff that comes through, and get in shape and enjoy being in shape, because you have to inspire others and you have to be a role model. I'd encourage people to use FutureFit because we're very human. We are very relatable, we're very personable, and we all actually work in the industry, and that's why we can help people to be successful. And we're also a lot of fun, we don't take ourselves too seriously. To people thinking about becoming a personal trainer, I would say come to an open day with FutureFit, have an experience, see if we're a fit for you, and if personal training is a fit for you, and then let us take you on a journey.